Okay, hi, I'm Aria, and I'm doing my biome project. I did the aquatic chamber first, which is where the chamber of water is and the fish. And right here, as you can see, the fish is still living after 2.5 weeks, and a spider came from another chamber and drowned and killed itself. On the first day, the conductivity level was 162, and the pH level was 7.01, and the dissolved O2 was 20.0 milligrams per liter, and that's about it for the first day. And then on the second observation we came, the conductivity was 241, and the pH was 6.66, and the dissolved O2 was still 20.0 milligrams per liter. And then on the final day of observation, the conductivity was 367, and the pH was 6.73, and the dissolved O2 was still 20.0 milligrams per liter. And that's all for my aquatic chamber, and now here's Noah for the other chamber.
Okay, I'm Noah, and I did the terrestrial chamber, which is right there, this blob of whatever that is. And on the first day of observation, the soil temperature was 22.3 degrees Celsius. The air temperature was 22.1 degrees Celsius. The barometric pressure was 29.25. Relative humidity was 100%. CO2 was 4,832 parts per million, and the O2 was 181,707 parts per million. On the second day of observation, the soil temperature was 22.1 degrees Celsius. The air temperature was 22.9 degrees Celsius. The barometric pressure was 29.29, and the relative humidity stayed at 100%. The CO2 was 6,625 parts per million, and the O2 was 164,987 parts per million. On the third day of observation, the soil temperature was 21.6 degrees Celsius. The air temperature was 22.4 degrees Celsius. Barometric pressure was 29.34. Relative humidity again stayed at 100%. The CO2 rose to 1,775,766 parts per million, and the O2 was at 178,019.
Hi, I'm Riayn, and I did the decomposition chamber of the biome project, and this is the decomposition chamber. We put old grass, worms, mulch, old fruit, leaves, and grass and stuff. And in the decomposition chamber of observation 1, the temperature was 22.3 degrees Celsius. And in observation 2 of the decomposition chamber was signs of mold, and the temperature was about the same. It was 22.2 degrees Celsius. And in observation 3 of the decomposition chamber was mold specks and not many signs of movement. There wasn't anything really moving. There was a spider moved into the water chamber.
Thanks for watching.